Hi allesammans, hello everyone. Today we will talk about reflexive pronouns and reflexive verbs in Norwegian. Reflexive verbs are parts of Norwegian grammar that describe actions that the sentence's subject does to itself. In other words, the subject is both the agent and the recipient of the verb described activity. Reflexive pronouns, which are attached to verbs to show that the subject is acting on itself, show this relationship in the language. In Norwegian, you add the reflexive pronoun sei, sei, sei to the end of the verb stem to make it a reflexive verb. The reflexive pronoun can take different forms depending on the subject's person, number, and gender, but the basic form remains sei, sei, sei. When the verb å vaske, å vaske, å vaske, to wash, becomes reflexive, it becomes å vaske seg, å vaske seg, å vaske seg, to wash oneself. Reflexive verbs can refer to self-care actions such as washing, dressing, and grooming, as well as activities that refer to the subject's internal state, such as feeling or thinking. Hun kler seg, hun kler seg, hun kler seg. She dresses herself. Han barberer seg, han barberer seg, han barberer seg. He shaves himself. De gleder seg til å reise til Kina. De gleder seg til å reise til Kina. De gleder seg til å reise til Kina. They look forward to travel to China. It is common to use reflexive verbs to describe actions where the subject is the only one involved or where the focus is on the subject's experience of the action. For example, han legger seg. Han legger seg. Han legger seg. He goes to bed. Hun reiser seg. Hun reiser seg. Hun reiser seg. She stands up. Reflexive verbs are an important part of the Norwegian language because they show how the subject and the action described by the verb relate to each other. By using reflexive verbs and pronouns, people who speak Norwegian can make their sentences more straightforward and give more information about the action being done and the experiences of the people involved. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no,